Good afternoon, everyone. Jeff McDowell, the Bald Guy, here to bring you a video tour on this 2014 AMG CLS63. One of my favorite vehicles due to the performance, styling, look. This was actually owned by one of our very good clients here who is so meticulous in taking care of them. Taking a look here at the front end. See, we are free of any damage. Here's a look at those forged wheels. One of my favorite wheels designs that we've had. Front brake pads are at 10 millimeters, which is practically new. And then you have 7 millimeters on the tires, so very minimal wear. Look down the passenger side, free of dents and dings. I already have the tint on this. One of my favorite things is this is called a frameless window. So there's actually nothing that comes around here and your B-pillar stays in place. So a very cool effect to the CLS. It's that coupe styling. You have that black interior, black wood. Seats are in good condition. I'd also like to point out, I'm not picking up on any smells or odors from the car. Our previous owner, he actually is not a smoker and usually ends up cleaning the car more thoroughly than even our own detail department. Rear brake pads are at 8 millimeters, which is just about new as well. You have carbon fiber spoiler, signature quad tip exhaust. I love these tail lamps. Actually, when they're lit up, kind of look like a jet fighter afterburner. Cool little styling effect from AMG. Do have some Dynamica here on the steering wheel. Taking a look here, you'll see we have just under 39,000 miles, and the vehicle was maintained very meticulously. No accidents, no damage. Colorado owners. First owner did maintain it pretty well with Littleton, and then our last couple times with the previous owner was here, since he does work with us quite a bit. But everything is in really good shape. There's all of your controls, so your different sport modes, traction controls, suspension modes, then full AMG mode. So kind of a cool little piece where you can kind of upgrade everything to play with. But would love to answer some more questions for you, and even if you would like to set up for a test drive. So give me a call or shoot me a text. Once again, Jeff McDowell, Mercedes Benz of Westminster.